slowest man in the world.
Move to the back, son. This is my car. I sit in the front seat.
Dad, you get in the back seat.
No, this is my car. I paid for it.
You know that one thing you do, the one answer to any reception problem?
The bunny ears.
Right. One answer, foil. Right, so get out the foil. Just add it to my phone.
What are you talking about?
Well, it works on the television, it works the same on a cell phone.
So what?
You
You
sound
never got some kind of a reception problem. You just need foil.
yeah, you just kind of add it to the little antenna here and make sure everything's
What are you doing?
What are you talking about?
It's not going to work on a cell phone.
It's science.
Oil device is different.
All right, let me try it.
Give it. Hello, no, not yet.
Oh,
hold it. Hello? Yes. How are you doing? Oh, yeah.
In the grocery store, right here. Just take a left.
Where do you want me to
Right
turn?
here.
Turn left.
Take a left. Take a left.
Earl.
No, you turned on the railroad track.
We've got vibrating chairs.
No. What are you doing?
Grandpa, we don't got
I
vibrating
didn't say turn on the railroad track. Well, you're going to need to get off because I'm seeing a train coming right at us. Yeah. 99, I like the Christmas music.
No, we don't get multiple channels, okay? We get one. It came like that and we left it that way.
Yeah, we got one channel. We didn't want to mess it up, so we only get this one radio station, all right? We don't want to try and mess it up because then we wouldn't get anything, all right? Oh, fine. I'll just turn it on. Here you go. Just listen to this. Oh! It's nice, isn't it? It's very festive music. They call it Tejano music. I say it all the time.
It's all the rage right now, son.
It's very fun stuff.
This is a Spanish channel.
Well, yeah, it's the only one that we got.
You don't speak Spanish.
Well, no, but once we got a station that came in clearly, we didn't want to mess it up.
It's very upbeat. I can assure you the music and the words are probably very happy.
It sounds very happy to me. We do a lot of dancing in the car.
Just turn off the radio.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm just singing shields.
They're back here.
We're gonna die. Those aren't the shields. Those are sun visors. There's an 18-wheeler down the hall.
An 18-wheeler.
Grandpa, the car is being attacked by these vicious animals. They're all over the place. I don't know what they are.
Weiner dogs, Dad.
Those aren't just wiener dogs. Those are dogs of death.
Dogs are dead.
What are you talking about?
What is that?
I remember back in Okinawa in World War II, my platoon was attacked by these dogs of death.
By wiener dogs?
Little Timmy fell behind with a whole squad of wiener dogs, aka dogs of death. Jumped on him and just mowed him.
Oh, goodness.
When they were done with him, he looked like a plate of sushi.
Oh, that's a horribly visual image. Granny, well, today we put together something very special for y'all. It's just a good old-fashioned Christmas story, none of that craziness.
Long ago, in a small village, there lived a young girl named Mary. She was betrothed to a man named Joseph, a village idiot carpenter. The town was called Nazareth. Joseph and Mary would occasionally walk through the village hand in hand. One night, when Joseph had dropped off Mary, she was visited by an angel.
Good night, Joseph.
Good night, Mary. I'm walking off the stage.
No, don't say that. Just go. Give a little kick.
Brady! I'm getting attacked by some kind of a birdman!
Grandpa, no, that's an angel. Grandpa, that's an angel. I'm an angel.
It's an angel, Brady! I'm dead!
No, I'm just going to the light. No, come this way. Just stand there. Don't mess this up, okay? There's no way to mess this up. Just stand out there. Just get in the middle. You're a sheep. Where's his sheep, Earl?
I'm standing here. I'm looking up. There's stars.
Good sheep.
I'm shepherding. What am I shepherding? Lady! It's the Weiner Dogs! They've returned!
No.
Stay back! You dogs of death!
Yeah.